Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Nation celebrates 75th Republic Day with impressive display of its military might and rich cultural heritage at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. Meghalaya tableau in beautiful display on the Kartavya Path at the 75th Republic Day parade. Padma Awards for year 2024 announced. Former VP Venkaiah Naidu and actor Chiranjeevi get Padma Vibhushan. Meghalaya celebrated 75th Republic Day. Governor Phagu Chauhan unfurled the national flag. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma unfurled the tricolour at Tura. And already invited tenders for the company to conduct transparent recruitment, says DGP Dr. L.R. Bishnoi. The news in detail. The nation is celebrating the 75th Republic Day today. President Draupadi Murmu led the nation in celebrating Republic Day from Kartavya Path in New Delhi this morning. French President Emmanuel Macron was the chief guest at the parade, which showcased India's rich cultural diversity, unity and progress, its military prowess and growing Nari Shakti. The ceremony began with the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the National War Memorial, where he led the nation in paying solemn tributes to the fallen heroes by laying a wreath. Thereafter, the Prime Minister and other dignitaries headed to the saluting dais at Kartavya Path to witness the parade based on the twin themes of Viksit Bharat and Bharat Loktantra Ki Mantruka. This year's parade witnessed the participation of around 13,000 special guests. During the celebration of the 75th Republic Day in New Delhi today, Meghalaya tableau in beautiful display on the Kartavya Path at the 75th Republic Day parade, showcasing the best of Meghalaya, its cherry blossoms, waterfalls, flora and fauna, culture and its beautiful people, with an invitation to everyone to experience its enchanting beauty. The government has announced the Padma Awards for the year 2024. The list comprises 5 Padma Vibhushan, 17 Padma Bhushan and 110 Padma Shri Awards. Former Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, actor K. Chiranjeevi, actress Vijayantimala Bali and Bharat Natyam dancer Padma Subramaniam have been selected for Padma Vibhushan. Social activist Bindeshwar Pathak has been awarded Padma Vibhushan posthumously. The first women Supreme Court Judge M. Fatima BV and Tamil actor Vijay have been awarded Padma Bhushan posthumously. Bollywood actor Mithun Chakraborty, singer Usha Uthup, industrialist Sitaram Jindal, composer Pyarelal Sharma and Foxconn chairman Young Louis are among those who will be given Padma Bhushan. Among the Padma awardees, 34 are unsung heroes. From Meghalaya, senior folk musician from East Khasi Hills, M.S. Silbi Pasa, is conferred with the prestigious Padma Shri Award for 2024. She is known for reviving old Khasi dance forms and promoting Khasi Jantia culture. Along with the rest of the country, Meghalaya celebrated the 75th Republic Day on Friday, wherein the celebration was held at Polo Grounds. Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan unfurled the national flag and took the salute of the marching contingents comprising of the BSF, CRPF, District Executive Force, East Khasi Hills District, Sikkim Police, 1st MLP Battalion, NCC Boys, NCC Girls, Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides, Sacred Heart Girls Higher Secondary School, Brass Band Border Wing, Home Guards and Pipe Band Assam Regiment Centre. During the program, the governor handed over the Utirat Singh Award 2024 for Arts and Culture to Shri Rising Bor Kurkalang, P.A. Togan in Sangma Award 2024 for Social Service to Dr. Delphine G. Moban, and Ukyang Nangba Award 2024 for Sports to Shri Prangki Buam. On the other hand, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma unfurled the tricolour and took the Rashtriya salute at Tura Machakolgre LP School field. The two villages from West Garo Hills, Babadam village and Kamagal Wangre village have got the Waterfall Sanitation Award in this celebration.
Village.
हमारे प्रिय मेघालय वासियों, आज देश के 75वें गणतंत्र दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर मैं आप सभी को हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं। मैं स्वतंत्रता की लड़ाई और देश की रक्षा में बलिदान करने वाले अमर शहीदों और अपने बीच मौजूद वीर सेनानियों को नमन करता हूं। साथ ही बॉर्डर पर तैनात सेना, पैरामिलिट्री के जवान और आंतरिक सुरक्षा में तैनात पुलिस के जवान को अपनी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। रिपब्लिक डे के इस अवसर पर पावन मौके पर हम अपने संविधान के उच्च आदर्शों को पालन करने का निश्चय करते हुए राष्ट्रपति महात्मा गांधी, डॉक्टर भीमराव अम्बेडकर, सरदार पटेल, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू और नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस जैसे महान सेनानियों को तथा मेघालय के यू फिरोज सिंह, यू क्यान, नागबा पा, तोगन, संगमा जैसे वीर शहीदों और आजादी की लड़ाई में शामिल सभी नायकों को सादर नमन करता हूं।
On occasion of the 75th Republic Day, Superintendent of Police City Vivek Singh and two other police personnel from Meghalaya were conferred with the Medal for Meritorious Service. The other police personnel who received the medal include John M. Sangma, Arm Branch Inspector, and Tabor Sumer, Havildar. Inspector Anyoska Basayumite, posted as Senior Instructor at Central Training Institute of Civil Defence and Home Guards, Meghalaya, was also awarded the Medal for Meritorious Service. As many as 1,132 personnel of police, fire service, home guard and civil defence and correction service awarded gallantry service medals on the occasion of the Republic Day 2024.
It motivates me and my team, because I owe this to my team, and it motivates us to work harder and to deliver better. And I owe it to the government, actually, who has always been supporting officers who actually want to deliver. So I thank God.
The 75th Republic Day was joyously celebrated at NSCA Mini Stadium, Pahams Aim, with the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Preston Tinsong, gracing the occasion as a chief guest. The Deputy Chief Minister unfurled the national flag. The event featured a vibrant march past by students from different schools, police personnel and NCC cadets, with Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong taking the salute. In his address, Tinsong extended his heartfelt congratulations to the citizens on the auspicious occasion of the 75th Republic Day and highlighted the achievement of the government. In West Janta Hills District, Minister for Animal Husbandry and Veterinary A.L. Heck unfurled the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute to the tune of the national anthem led by JNV School Mukhla. Addressing the gathering, he reminded the citizens of the district of our freedom fighters' struggle and also highlighted the achievement schemes implemented in the state.
Agak punya iyo iki Maret ke Meghalaya. Umat news pak mikripton ki Maret na kejala bentuk yo sing simrai sotrun kasiu bat sensa lalak mansalan bat saklin kiyo hakari basabar ri kumju kabawan ra kejikiyo hakayo kepot kinore.
West Khasi Hills District Administration joins the nation in celebrating the momentous occasion of India's 75th Republic Day. Dr. Ampreen Lingdo, Minister in charge of Health Government of Meghalaya, graced the occasion as the chief guest. The chief guest unfurled the national flag, singing of the national anthem, and took the salute for the vibrant march past featuring 14th contingent group comprising the police, schools, colleges, NCC, Scout and Guide. Other highlights of the day include the tableau display from different government departments provided an exquisite visual representation of the rich cultural heritage and accomplishments.
Is much more evident in Indian people in scaling up their conventional production.
Si Republic kabanyang pusan yapi baro akan digasni kabafrau tongin penskem ya kejuban banbo ya kinongrin kibalasot lasyo akan riti sinsha jongteri India jami akan digasni ni penpau jing songo buram ya kinongyalam kung Mahatma Gandhi ji Jawaharlal Nehru ji Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, but Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Ni airu keburong yaki klawat jong kecela.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Thursday released the NCERT books that will be utilized in schools under the Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOS from this academic session at the Teacher Initiative Conclave in Tura. He also distributed appointment letters to over 458 newly appointed government LP school teachers. Highlighting the importance of quality education, Sangma stated that the newly appointed teachers would play a pivotal role in laying strong foundations of knowledge in the lives of the state's children. He urged the teachers to remain committed to their duty, encouraging them to contribute positively to the growth and development of students. The two-day 49th annual conference of the All Meghalaya Karbi Association AMKA held at Umjaren village concluded on Thursday with Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsang presiding over the closing ceremony. The event featured a variety of activities and cultural programs drawing the participation of key figures within the community. While addressing the gathering, Tinsang commended AMKA for organizing the annual conference as a means of preserving the rich culture and identity of the Karbi community. He emphasized the significance of standing united for the greater good of the Karbi community and assured that the government would earnestly consider the memorandum submitted by AMKA. With the Meghalaya government intending to fill up around 3,000 posts in the police department, Director General of Police Dr. L.R. Bishnoi said already invited tenders for the company who will conduct the transparent recruitment by utilizing up-to-date technology. A 21 days time is given to finalize the bidder, and by the second week of February, the process of tendering will be finalized. The DGP said, asked how the department is going to be benefited from this, the DGP said the sanctioned strength of Meghalaya Police is 17,500 out of that. At present, nearly around 3,200 vacancies are still there. And once this 3,000 newly recruited constable will join the Meghalaya Police family will become wider and stronger.
Governments. We have already invited tenders for the company who will conduct the transparent recruitment by utilizing the up-to-date technology. We have given them 21 days time. After 21 days time, the bidders will be finalized. And once the tender is allocated to particular company, after that the advertisement will be done and the applications will be invited and the recruitment procedure will start. So we will do it for 3,000 and it will be the largest recruitment in the Meghalaya police so far.
And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature is 13 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 4.2 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 72% and the relative humidity in the evening was 68%. And the forecast says light to moderate rain and shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Nation celebrates 75th Republic Day with impressive display of its military might and rich cultural heritage at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. Meghalaya tableau in beautiful display on the Kartavya Path at the 75th Republic Day Parade. Padma Awards for year 2024 announced. Former VP Venkaiah Naidu and actor Chiranjeevi get Padma Vibhushan. Meghalaya celebrated 75th Republic Day. Governor Phagu Chauhan unfurled the national flag. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma unfurled the tricolour at Tura. And already invited tenders for the company to conduct transparent recruitment, says DGP Dr. L.R. Vishnu. And viewers, with that, we've come to the end of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow, same time, same channel. Have a great evening ahead.